Okay, g'day, Rudy here. So this one's all about our healthcare stocks. Been a pretty volatile week, especially for a lot of people, a lot of the big boys. A few of them got hammered, but there's still some that look good, and a few little ones that look really good. So where to next? So I'll just go through the charts, see what the charts are saying. So we'll start with the king. So CSL. Now I could argue this is forming a bullish declining wedge. It does need to do a bit more work though, but it's a start. It's like planting the seed. So that's a weekly chart. So if we go to a daily chart, okay, so we can see that's the bottom. That's the lowest it got to just there. Okay, so we're forming this declining wedge. So what you want to, we'll have to go to an hourly chart now. We're getting picky. So with a declining wedge, what you want is a break and then a retest of support. Okay, so this is the key level, just down here. So we're sitting at 212.65. So what you want to see now is really a break above 217. So then we'd call that, okay, it's tested support and then should start moving up. So if you're in it, still hold it while it's above. And if you're trying to pick a bottom, that's what I'd do. Alright, Cochlear. Cochlear doesn't look too bad actually. So there's your break, and this is your retest. So that's a nice retest. So according to the charts, that's a buy. ResMed. Okay, so ResMed's got a lovely rounded bottom, so structurally that's bullish, like a good medium term bullish. So it's had its run, so it's coming down. So what would be really nice if you haven't got it, to see it come down to like $40 and then do a bit of green, and then that should go off again. And we got Neuron Pharmaceuticals. That was a buy guy put out a special buy on that one. I know some people got into it, so that looks fantastic. That was the next level to resistance. So that's our next. So that's its next target. So that looks fine. Ansel. Geez, it's a pretty terrible looking chart. But Ansel had so great news, but that's going to come back. It's not bad. So yeah, it'll probably come back, find some support, and then get going. Not the prettiest of things to look at. Okay, Sonic. Okay, so yeah, so Sonic, a bit disappointing with that one. I didn't. You see, it broke it, and it's ugly. But anyway, it's now down at a key area of support. My friend tells me that these guys have been hurting since COVID, but I think they're getting punished. He's in the business. But anyway, so it's forming like it's finding support there. So people are buying it. So if you're in it, hold it. It's just right on support. If you want to buy it, Well, there's your probably. Well, the safest thing is to wait for it to get over 24. What's that? 24.50. Or 20. Yeah, 24.50 would be a safe bet. It's not going to go like this. It'll probably go up and then come back. Go up, come back, retest, because it's got to find a bottom now. So it's got to go up and make a high, come back and make a higher bottom. Alright. Helios. So that's another one in the same space. The diagnostic imaging. So again, a bit of a declining wedge right on support. That's a daily. Sorry, that's a weekly. If we go to a daily, yeah, okay. So this is what something like what Sonic could do, like come up, come back. So this needs to come down, and if it can find a bottom here, and like get some green, then that would confirm that the buy is on. Okay, Telix. Okay, I gave someone asked me about this, and I said he wanted to buy it there. I said no, and then he asked me, can he buy it, and I said yes. I didn't know they hadn't reported. There you go. See, lesson, you should always work off weekly candles, people. Alright, so Telix looks like it wants to come down to this prior area of where it broke here, broke through the resistance. So it's coming back down to 1260. So again, same thing, you want to see it come down here, then start getting a few green candles, because at the moment it's being sold. Ramsey, another one that got punished. You can see it was trying to go, but it just couldn't. So it's fallen back down, but it's so it's at support, this support line, and you can see these candles here. So it's people are buying it up. There's that wick down there. So it went down and went up, and then today it went down, went up. So it looks like it's hit a bottom there. You could probably just buy that. Yeah, you'd probably just buy that. That's what the chart's saying. Not my personal advice. Fisher and Paykel. I don't know. I don't like that. I don't know how it reported, but it definitely, someone's selling it. If that, so what's that? 32. Well, 32 flat. If that closes the week next week below 32, I'd be getting out. Sigma. Now that's nice. That's beautiful. That's nice and clean. So lock that away. That's a buy. Nanosonics. Okay, so Nanosonics did the break. It's come back, retested with a declining wedge. So I think I put that out as a buy, I think. So that's going to be pretty ugly. It's not like a SIG there, but that looks like it's on its way. Okay, no, this is my main man, my Mr. Pathology man. He gave me this one, Doc. It's like a telehealth, mainly in UK. Seems to be a big thing. People want privacy, talking about personal stuff. I can understand that. The chart looks superb. So that's a buy. Lock that one in. Thank you, sir. He also gave me this one, Cleanscape. They design, manufacture, sell respiratory protection equipment. So he gave it to me a bit late. He's just trying to brag, I think. No, technically that's no. What you need to do is just see it come back down and find a bottom around here, and then that should go again. I wouldn't buy it just now. It's bit too risky. Singular Health, 3D medical imaging, my notes say. That looks fantastic. That's a buy. 4DX. Okay, so they're non-invasive respiratory imaging solutions, 4-dimensional imaging. I don't know what the 4th dimension is, but that looks superb too. Look at that break. And it's just sitting there testing, being brought up. You can see these candles here, these wicks, so it comes down and someone's buying. So yep, put that in the bank. So obviously I'd go for these instead of CSL or something, but horses for courses. Oh, that's Medibank. Anyway, Medibank doesn't want to die. Alright, so that's a wrap. If anyone else has got some healthcare stocks you think look good, let us know. Otherwise, give us some feedback on what you think. Alright, thanks for that. See ya.